Okay, we are recording.
Ann? Hi, I'm Ann Alden. This is Barbara Rector, and Sarah June has kindly agreed to help us explain safety around horses for when you're down here. First thing to know is horses do not have binocular vision. They don't see the way we see, and so if you're standing right in front of them like this, they can't. Now, obviously, she already knows that Barbara is there, but she couldn't see Barbara when Barbara was standing right in front of her. She sees to the side out of this eye and to the side out of her right eye. But that also means they can see when you're back here that there's a. They can't see straight behind them, but they can. She could see me right now and know where I am.
And we know that because she's watching the ear. As Ann moved fast, there went the ear.
So there are certain key things that you can look for in a horse to kind of tell where their attention is and what they're feeling. Their ears are very important. Their tail. They might stomp their feet. Might seem kind of restless. This is
Fly season.
Yeah, it's fly season, but this is a pretty calm horse. She's only 32 years old. Half Arab, half Percheron. So you watch their ears to see where their attention is. So her ears are going back before she's listening to me. Now she's kind of looking to see make sure I'm here, which obviously I am. Barbara's here. And if their ears go flat back, that's a sign of anger, which you probably won't see. Tail swishing could be flies, it could be irritation, it could be a lot of different things. Same thing with a foot stomp. Right now it's mostly flies. It's peak fly season. Their hearing is good. They are a prey animal, and so they have a lot of skills that are designed to help keep them safe and to know when there's a predator close by so they can run away or do what they need to deal with that situation. There, I need to look at my sheet. So you want to look for different signs of, say, relaxation. Is the horse surprised? If a horse is surprised, I'm sure you can figure out what a startle reflex might look like in a horse, just like it would in a person, kind of jumping. If they're relaxed, see her head is down. She's pretty relaxed right now. If they're looking at something over there is caught, maybe there's a coyote over there or something, they would lift their head up and see what's over there, and then the attention is off of whoever is right around them in here. Now, the other thing to know about horses is no loud noises, no sudden moves, and if you want to hold them for just a second, Barbara?
Sure.
When you walk around them, they're fine to the side, you either go really close here, or you go really far around. Now, this is really far around. What most people do for really far around is actually right where, if she picked up her foot and stretched her leg out, kicked, I'd be in the danger zone. So when we say really far around, we mean like 6 feet back from the horse. Or these horses are all gentle, so you can. I put my hand up here so they can feel me, they can hear my voice.
Look at the ear again.
Watch the ears tracking, and come around that way.
That concludes our thing. I want to pick up on what Monica did when she first said hello, that we would hope, because that's part of the testing procedure.
Right.
So maybe you would talk me through say hello. That's what they do just before they do con su permiso. So you get the horse back.
You do that.
Okay. So Monica, our guest here with Louise and Maggie, did a wonderful thing when she wanted to say, hey, I'm a new person in your life, company. And she goes to, she's on a looser lead. Hi, yes. And I'm standing right here between her eye and her withers. She happens to know I love her immensely. She appreciates her mom, but we're soulmates, aren't we? So she just nuzzles. You can feel them blow on you. And then my task is to say, I'll be right back. I'll come back. I want to go get some fly spray for you. But that's letting them know that you're here, ready to, as you said, engage. So I thought that was just wonderful. And so did Terry. Didn't you? I think that concludes it. Can you turn it off pretty please?